Hi guys, on today's video I'll be showing you my sincere review of the Cooklife's 12-inch cast iron skillet. As someone who has not owned a cast iron, but I have felt and held some while shopping, I could see that at first, holding on to this cast iron, I could feel the light weight of the cast iron in comparison to others that I have held. And you could see the handle, it's very smooth, and also it came pre-seasoned. And what I did first was to make sure that I followed all the instructions for washing before first use. So I made sure to wash here with dish soap and some warm water, and also made sure to clean properly with towels before cooking with it. As someone who loves to cook, I also love to try so many cookways to see what is convenient, what does the best job. For my first use, I'll be making some cornbread, and what I did first was to just apply some butter in it and place it in the oven to warm up. And I prepared all my ingredients for the cornbread. So here I just added all the ingredients here, mixed it all together. And I would say that this first use was really easy. It was smooth, and it was also easy to handle the cookware considering the fact that it's been hot in the oven. So you could see the leather handle that I used in picking up the skillet right from the oven. That's ease for me. That's something that makes cooking easy, that you don't have to be scared to hold a skillet. But this one came very lightweight, and I can say that it's going to be a smooth cooking experience. So I just placed that back in the oven and allowed the cornbread to completely cook. And you could see I also used the handle to the leather handle to pick it up, and it was so easy and smooth. So we enjoyed our cornbread, and after this it was also easy to clean up, wash back with your dishwasher soap, and yeah, just make sure to damp it clean before you store it back. And I do hope you enjoyed this recipe as well. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, goodbye.